Hi and welcome to MonkWerks. I'm Father Thomas. In my last video, as part of Get Woodworking Week, I built this super simple hand screw clamp from some scrap wood that I had and then some parts that are easily available at your local hardware store. And if you're interested in building this clamp, you can click on the link that's right over here. And so in this video, I'm going to focus then on those elements of the clamp that are different from the simple hand screw clamp. And in the description below, you'll be able to find a schematic in order to construct the jaws as well as the handle for this particular clamp. On the 12-inch length of pipe, I marked out an inch in the center here, which will not have to be threaded. And so I'll thread all of this area here with a right-handed thread and all of this area here with a left-handed thread. to about 220 grit and put a couple coats of shellac on them as well. And now we're ready to begin the assembly of the clamps. And so I've got everything laid out. I've got my handles over here. I have the jaws, I have the threaded rods with both the left-handed and the right-handed threads on them. And then I also have the barrel nuts that I made. And so I've got it all laid out so everything's kind of ready to go as I'm putting it all together. One of the first things you have to do is to orient everything. I have both of my left-handed barrel bolts on this side, and both of my right-handed barrel bolts will go on this side. And so I'm just going to kind of seat them in. Then I'll take my threaded rod and just kind of barely insert it into just where it gets a grip on the bolt. So as I'm pulling out, you see it doesn't come out with it, but it's able to articulate. So that's in there. And we'll do the same thing with the top end. Thanks for watching this episode of MonkWerks. Please consider liking, commenting, and/or subscribing. And don't forget to check out monkworks.org. Again, thanks for watching, and may God bless you.